perfect, perfect, perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out another video. Just coming in with a quick hair tutorial. I want to show you how to get that wet look hairstyle. So if you're interested, keep watching. So these are the products that I use to achieve this style. You don't have to use the same exact products. Use whatever works for you. Right now I'm making a side part. You can part your hair down the middle if that's what you like. And I don't know about you guys, but my left side is my good side, so I part my hair on the left a lot. Do you have a good side? Comment down below. I would like to know. Do you like a middle part, a side part, left, right? Comment down below. Once I'm satisfied with my part, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some water. Do not make your hair soaking wet. It just needs to be damp enough before applying the mousse. So I use a generous amount of mousse because the mousse is what actually gonna form the waves or the curls to get that wet look. So y'all don't be afraid to add your mousse. I'm naturally heavy-handed when it comes to products anyway, so yeah. Once you've done adding your mousse, you want to start crunching the hair to form the waves or the curls.
Wanna move my feet, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, 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 wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Right now I'm adding the Guts to Be gel for definition and hold, and after that I'm gonna go in with the Guts to Be spray. You can use whatever spray you like, and that's gonna give me some extra hold so the style lasts longer. So this step is optional. I like to add some heat protectant spray to protect the hair and also add some shine. The last step is to blow dry your hair. I use medium heat, and yes, that's about it.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do that. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when I drop a new video. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys in my next video.